So let's think about this. What do you think non-renewable resources are? We're going to break this word down. So non-renewable, non means not, and then renewable, something that you can replace. So non-renewable means that we cannot replace these resources. So let's take a look at what these are. Non-renewable resources are resources in nature that are used up or consumed faster than they can be replaced by nature. Examples of these are nuclear fission, coal, oil, and natural gas. So used up faster than they can be replaced by nature. So we as humans are using them up. Nuclear fusion is the use of uranium to create energy. Nuclear energy is a non-renewable resource because once the uranium is gone, it's all used up. We can't use it anymore. Coal, petroleum, and gas are considered non-renewable resources because they cannot be replaced in a short period of time. These are what we would call fossil fuels, and we have to wait millions of years for them to form again. So let's look at how these things form. How does coal form, or how is it made? So if you look at the first picture, 300 million years ago, before the dinosaurs, many giant plants died in swamps. Looking at the second picture, over millions of years, the plants are buried under water and dirt. And the third picture, heat and pressure turned the dead plants and animals into coal. So you can see that this is going from 300 million years to our present day. So this has taken millions of years to happen. How are oil and gas made? Looking at the first picture, tiny sea plants and animals died and were buried on the ocean floor. Over time, they were covered by layers of silt and sand, that's sediment. In the middle picture, over millions of years, the remains were buried deeper and deeper. The enormous heat and pressure turned them into gas and oil. Today, we drill through these layers of sand and silt and rock to reach the rock formations that contain oil and gas deposits. So again, oil and gas are taking millions of years to be made, to form naturally by Earth. So once we use them up, they're gone. So let's think about this. If non-renewable resources are resources that are used up faster than it can be replaced by nature, then what would renewable resources be? Renewable resources are natural resources that can be replenished in a short period of time by nature. So we don't have to wait millions of years for these things to be replaced before we can use them. Examples of renewable resources are solar energy, wind energy, water energy, geothermal energy, and biomass energy. So now we're going to look at each one of these and determine what they are. Solar energy is energy from the sun. So I want you to think about, why is energy from the sun renewable? That's a question I want you to answer in your notes. Why is energy from the sun renewable? The next type of renewable energy is geothermal energy, which means energy from Earth's heat. So the center of the Earth, very hot. Why would the energy from the heat of the Earth be renewable? I want you to answer that question. Why is energy from the heat of the Earth renewable? Wind energy is energy that we get from the wind, and the picture you see is a windmill. And I want you to answer, why is energy from the wind renewable? So you're going to have to think about these. Biomass energy is energy from burning organic or living matter. So why is energy from biomass renewable? And water or hydroelectric energy. Hydro means water. So this is energy from flowing water, like the picture of the dam that you see in this picture or on this slide. So I want you to think about, why is energy from flowing water, why is it considered renewable? Why can we use it over and over again? When you come to class, you need to make sure you know the difference between non-renewable and renewable resources. So their definition, how are they different? And you need to know examples of each one.